In this video, we'll walk through how to enable two-step authentication on your Assignr account. We recommend everyone on the platform enables two-step authentication, whether you're an official, Assignr, administrator, or financial contact. And if you're either paying officials or getting paid through the system, then you'll definitely want to turn this on. Two-step authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once enabled, when you log in, Assignr may ask you for a one-time code in addition to your password. These codes expire and can only be used once. You won't be asked for a code on every single login, generally only when you're logging in from a new browser or if it's been more than 30 days since you last entered one. To get started, select your name in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, then select My Account from the dropdown. From your profile page, select the two-step authentication tab. You'll see two options under two-factor methods for how you'd like to receive your one-time codes. We'll walk through both together. The first option is through an Authenticator app, which we recommend using. This uses an app or browser extension such as 1Password, Authy, or Google Authenticator to generate one-time codes for you. Before enabling this option, just make sure you've already downloaded and signed into your Authenticator app of choice on your phone. Once your app is ready, select Enable next to Authenticator app. Next, open your Authenticator app on your phone and use it to scan the QR code on screen. Your app will then start generating 6-digit codes tied to your Assignr account, refreshing every 30 seconds. If you're not able to scan the QR code, just select the code link on the screen to get a manual setup key you can type directly into your Authenticator app instead. Once your app is set up and you've entered your code, select Save. From that point on, whenever Assignr prompts you for a code, just open the same Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit code it's displaying for your Assignr account, and then select Save again. The second two-step authentication option is SMS or text message. With this method, Assignr will send a one-time code to your mobile phone number whenever a code is needed. For this option, from the two-step authentication page within your profile, select Enable next to SMS/text message. Then select your mobile number's country from the dropdown and enter your mobile phone number in the field below. Then select Submit. Assignr will send a test code to the number you entered. Once you receive the text, enter the code into the field on screen. Then select Submit again to confirm your number is set up correctly. Moving forward, if you're prompted to submit a code when logging in, you'll enter the latest Assignr code that was texted to your phone. Once you've enabled one of these two methods, you'll notice a recovery options section appear at the bottom of the page. If you don't see it yet, you'll just want to complete your setup first and it'll appear once a method is active. We strongly recommend saving your recovery codes before you finish. To do this, you'll select View next to Recovery Codes. Recovery codes can be used to access your account if you ever lose access to your device and can't receive your two-factor codes. You'll want to store them somewhere safe. You can copy or print them directly from this screen using the buttons provided, then go ahead and save them somewhere secure. A password manager is a great option. If you're ever locked out without your recovery codes, you'll need to contact support to regain access. That is pretty much it for two-step authentication. It should now be active on your account. You'll see a green enabled badge next to your chosen method, and the next time you log in from a new browser, Assignr will prompt you to enter your code before granting access. If you ever need to disable two-step authentication, you can come back to the two-step authentication tab in your profile and select Disable next to the method you want to turn off. We hope this was helpful in helping your account become that much more secure, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to us anytime at support@assignr.com.